Hello students, welcome to my channel English Sapling. I am your host Simal Kaur presenting a new video in front of you on the very interesting topic that is adjectives. So in this video you will find that what are adjectives and what are their types. Please watch this video till the end to gain the better understanding and subscribe my channel too if you have not done it yet, and make sure to hit the notification bell also. So let's begin with its definition. What are adjectives? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. In easy terms, you can say that adjective is a describing word. Let's have a look on this poem. Apples go crunch in my lunch. Sour or sweet, they are yummy to eat. Johnny planted apple seeds. They grew up into tall shady trees. Colors of yellow, red and green. I love to eat many apples by all means. So here, words like sour, sweet, yummy, tall, shady, yellow, red, green and many signifies the adjectives. Now, adjectives come in an order. They usually come before nouns or after linking verbs such as am, is, are, was, were, etc. Let's have a look on the table of adjective order. So here, in the very first box, it's opinion, followed by size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, and material. So let's understand this adjective order table with the help of this example. An attractive new stripped party gown. So here, attractive, new, and stripped are the adjectives. Hence, this table shows you the order of adjectives coming before the noun. Now you all are wondering that how many types of adjectives are there. So, there are 6 types of adjectives. Number 1, adjective of quality, telling what kind of. Number 2, adjective of quantity, telling how much. Number 3, adjective of number, telling how many. Number 4, demonstrative adjective, which used to point out. Number 5, interrogative adjective, which used to ask questions. Number 6, possessive adjectives, telling whose. Now, we will take a closer look at the types of adjectives and provide even more examples by placing them in context so you can gain a greater understanding of how they work. Let's begin. What are adjectives of quality? Adjective of quality describes a living being or a thing. It describes the shape, size, color, age, origin, material and quality of a noun or pronouns, like honest, easy. For example, the kind boy helped the old beggar. He is carrying a heavy suitcase. Here, the words like kind, old and heavy signifies the adjective of quality. What are adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity tell the size, volume and quantity of a noun, like some, much. For example, he wants some money. There is little water in the glass. So here, words like some and little signifies the adjective of quantity. Number 3, what are adjective of number? Adjective of number tell the number or position of a living beings or things, like too, many. For example, I need 5 books. July is the 7th month of the year. Here, the words like 5 and 7 signifies the adjective of number. What are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives point out a specific person, animal, place, or a thing, like these, that. For example, this man lives in my neighborhood. Can you show me those toys? There is a note. Demonstrative adjectives are always followed by a noun, like this pen is red. Here, this is the demonstrative adjective and pen is the noun. These pens are blue. Here also, these are the demonstrative adjective and pens are the noun. What are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are used before nouns or pronouns to ask questions, like which, whose. For example, which book is yours? Whose car is this? Here, the words like which and whose signifies the interrogative adjectives. There is a note. Interrogative adjectives are always followed by a noun. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjective sits before a noun or a pronoun to show who or what owns it, like our, her. For example, I am looking after her dog. Hey, that's my one. She likes your hat. Here, the words like her, my, and your signifies the possessive adjective. And make sure that the possessive adjective yours, her, and my sit before the noun, that is hat, one, and dog, to tell us who owns it. So, this is all about adjectives and the types. Hope you all understand them. The more types of adjectives will be explained in my following videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any doubt, then comment below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.